Hi everybody, so today in this video I am going to be showing you what I got from the Sheffield Dealers kit sale, which happened today. It's kind of a bi-yearly kind of thing where the Sheffield Dealers just sell off all of the players' equipment. The merchandise gets heavily discounted and you can go buy what you want. It's quite good for, like, if you are a recreational hockey player or whatever, you can get like some professional kit for a decent price. If you're a fan of a certain player, you can just buy the certain player's stuff, whatever. I can just get some pretty cool merchandise. Now, how they usually do it, it was different this year and I didn't like it. How they usually do it, they kind of had, like, I understand like having like the sticks behind a barrier, so you've got to ask someone to get you the stick, because the stick's like the most expensive thing that they sell during this whole event thing. But usually they had like boxes of merchandise, or they had like the gloves in a box, or they had helmets in a box, and you could just rummage through and like find what you want, and then there was people around so you could pay. This time literally everything was behind the counter, and me having anxiety, like, I'm not good at putting myself forward and saying I want this, or like, we were like some of the first people there and somehow I ended up at the back of the queue somehow, because, well, not the back of the queue, but I ended up I should have been like one of the first people to be served, but because I was quite didn't like asking, I was quite far back. So yeah, there was an issue with that for me, that I didn't like it. Don't get me wrong, everyone at the Steelers is always really nice and friendly and everything, but for me personally, I like having a rummage so I can keep to myself, and like if I find something I can keep hold of it and then buy it. There was the Sheffield Steelers store, which had all the merchandise in it, and it was essentially just like it is on a normal game day, where you've got to ask someone to get you something in your size, and that took forever because everyone was there for the same reason. You know, if you go to hockey, everyone's there to watch the hockey. For this, everyone was there to buy stuff, so it was literally just, it was just rammed. And obviously if you're wanting more than one thing, which everyone was because everything was discounted, it was kind of just, it was mental. And then there was just so many people, and then obviously if you wanted more than one thing, people were getting angry because they're having to wait, because, you know, the last time they had it at the arena, it was like literally like all the game worn jerseys were on coat hangers, and you could just like have a look through them, pick which ones you want, and then go. These were all behind the counter, and then you had to be like, oh, which players have you got? Have you got this player? Blah, blah, blah. It was a lot. But I did come up with a few things that I liked. I'll start with the little things. This is the Sheffield Steelers bag. This has just got like 2 pictures in it that I bought. So, picture number 1, we have this one of Kevin Schultz. I can't remember how much these were. It was literally just buy anything with my 2 favourite players. That was essentially it. So I got this Kevin Schultz one, and then I got this Evan Mosey one. Literally the only thing I could find that had Evan Mosey on it was this picture, because he's taken all of his sticks to Finland with him, because he's playing for Team Great Britain right now, and I don't know where like helmets, gloves, whatever went. So yeah, this is literally the only thing I got of Evan Mosey. So after that, I got this for free. They were giving these away for free, and I can smell why. But it's this. Yeah, it's a grubby, old, dirty, disgusting mat. But it is Kevin Schultz's dirty, disgusting, grubby mat. So they have these sitting in front of their stalls throughout the year. So they like put their skates on. That's why it's got so many like skate marks all over it. I'm gonna put this in the wash because it absolutely reeks. But yeah, this is Kevin Schultz's mat thing. Yeah, they were literally giving these away, so I was like, yeah, oh my god, it stinks. Yeah, they were free, very free. Okay, so I got that. Then we're actually coming towards the end now. I've got 2 more things. So, well, I got another thing, but it's for a friend for his birthday. So I'm not showing that on camera, but it's good. I like it. So yeah, I also bought this Kevin Schulz Game Worn Challenge Cup jersey. Let's see. So it's got the fight strap in it, but let's face it, Kevin would never have a fight anyway. But yeah, this jersey is signed as well. So this was his Challenge Cup jersey throughout the last season, which is actually quite funny because I have the Evan Mosey one of these, which I sponsored. So I have a matching pair of my 2 favourite players. This one, for Game Worn, there's not that much damage to it. There's a few bits here and there, but in general, it's in pretty good condition for a Game Worn jersey. But yeah, it's like just literally a couple of marks here and there. But apart from that, it's pretty much immaculate. My Evan Mosey one of these is a lot more damaged. Like, he's got like rips and tears and stuff up the side of the sleeve and everything. But yeah, Kevin's a good boy, so. So yeah, I got the Kevin Schulz Game Worn jersey. So I'll show you some of the damage that's on my Mosey one. This is my Evan Mosey. But this one, which arm was it on? It's absolutely wrecked. Like, I don't know what this is, but it's like, there's holes and everything in it. But yeah, that's my my Game Worn Evan Mosey. Well, one of them. I have a few. But the last thing that I bought, which is not going to get in the camera, is this stick. It is a Bauer Nexus Geo and Duraflex. None of this means anything to me at all. All I know is that, oh my good god, all I know belongs to Kevin Schulz. Or did. But yeah, it's a pretty cool stick. I like it a lot. I need to figure out how I'm going to put this up in places. But yeah, it's like got all the tape still attached and everything. That feels pretty cool. And then, oh, my pictures are falling over. I've got all the tape and everything on here. I'm gonna butt end you. That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. So there's 0 Evan Mosey stuff, but I got quite a lot of Kevin Schulz stuff. So that's cool. Couldn't get my friend the helmet or the gloves that she wanted. I couldn't get the gloves and helmet that I wanted. But yeah, I hope in the future they kind of go back to the old method of doing the kit sale, where everything's just in boxes and you can have a rummage. I just like a rummage. I would have spent a hell of a lot more if I could have just rummaged, I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, that's everything. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. If you want any particular hockey content, please let me know. And I'll see you all in the next one. Adios!